What's going on, guys? Welcome to this training, and today I'm gonna show you how to add pages in WordPress using Elementor. If you have watched my previous videos, I'm pretty sure that you have noticed that I always mention that if you purchase Elementor Pro through my link, which it doesn't have any extra cost to you, don't worry about that. But if you do it, I will be able to give you 3 bonuses that are gonna allow you to design a beautiful website, but actually a website that not only looks good, but actually that helps your business achieve its goal. And one of those bonuses are templates. Elementor allow me to design templates so I can share them with you and you can import those templates into your own business website. And what you basically have to do next is to put your own images, your own text, basically brand the template according to your business. So all the technical stuff is gonna be done for you and you don't have to worry about any of that. And if you haven't heard about the other 2 bonuses that I'm gonna share with you, stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm gonna mention them to you there. Without further ado, let's dive into today's training. So these are the pages that we're going to create today. As you can see, this is a gym website, but when it comes to creating a website for a service-based business, there are always main pages that you need to have. In this case, those main pages are the home page, the services page, the about us page, and the contact page. And this is the template that I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna refresh this so you can see the animations. So right now you can see the hero section, these nice buttons, and a welcome section, or you can talk about your business, a small sneak peek, and you can send people to a different page. In this case, it can be the About Us page where you can talk more about your business. The programs that you can basically put your services here. You can see have some really nice animations, and you can always add more information if you want. Link these buttons to a different page. If you want to show up your team members, you have this option as well. As you can see, a really nice design with animation. Testimonials, super important. If you're a service-based business, you need to show up testimonials. So let people know that other people are satisfied with your services. The news, blogs. If you want to create a blog, this is a great way so you can start bringing organic traffic into your business. A lead magnet so you can start building your audience. Super important, guys. I always mention this: start building your audience. This is a nice way you can start doing that. Your social icons, your pricings. If you want to show up how much you charge for your services, you can put your plans here, and yeah, you have this option here. And at the end, you have this, if people want to chat with you, they can always send you a message and they can do that here, okay? And also, as you can see, we have this beautiful header and footer, okay? Functional header, functional footer, and it's all mobile friendly. But I'm gonna show you how to do this in a different video so you can digest this training better. And also, let's take a look at the services page. And you can see some really cool animations. You can put all your services here. And yeah, you can see the About Us page. You can put all your members if you want, your benefits, let people know what they should go with your business, and a slogan if you want. The contact page, a really simple, nice, good looking contact page, and you can add also a map, so it's gonna be easier for your potential customers to find where you are. And also, I'm gonna share with you the blog. Remember that I'm gonna give you, basically gonna create the whole website for you. You have the blog section where you're gonna show up all your blog posts, and the single blog post template, that is this one. You can see a really nice, clean, designed, but I want to show you how to do this in a different video, okay? Right now, we're just gonna focus on creating the home page, the services page, the about us page, and the contact page. And all this is mobile friendly. So don't worry, it's gonna look good on tablet and mobile as well. Because take in mind that most of your web traffic is gonna come from those devices. So let's start creating your pages right now. So we're gonna go to pages, as you can see we're here right now, and we're gonna add 4 pages: the home page, the services, the about us page, and the contact page, okay? So we're gonna add new, home, publish, add new one, it's gonna be about, publish, add new, services, and the last one, the contact page. We're gonna go back to pages, and as you can see we have all our pages here, okay? Now before we go to edit the first one, that is the home page, we're gonna go and see the website how it looks right now. And before we go to the Elementor page builder, we need to get rid of this page title and this top bar here. So we're gonna go to the theme editor, that is this one. You can see customize, click on it. So this is the Ocean WP theme editor. So we're gonna go to the top bar, general, and we're gonna uncheck this. And it's gone. Go back, we're gonna go to header, general, and we're gonna get rid here of the header border bottom, okay? Once we do this, we're gonna go back, we're gonna go to general options, page title, and style hidden. And also we're gonna get rid of this part of the footer, okay? So we're gonna prepare everything so we don't have to come back here. So the footer widgets, enable footer widgets, and that's it. Now you have to click on publish, and we're ready to go. Now we're gonna close this button. We're gonna click in the home page. I wanna open a new tab. We're gonna click on edit with Elementor. So you can see we wanna change this layout. We wanna go to this little icon, settings, page layout. We're gonna click on Elementor full width. There we go. And guys, in this video I won't show you how to use this widget. If you want to know how to use the Elementor basics, I have created a video so you can go check it out and learn the basics on how to use Elementor Page Builder. So what we're going to do now is we're going to import the home page template into this page, okay? As you can see, we have 2 buttons, this plus icon and this folder icon. When I click on it, when I click this arrow, okay? You're gonna select the file, and I already have all the templates that I'm gonna share with you here. So right now we're gonna add the homepage templates, that is this one. And there we have it. Now we're gonna insert it. Yes. So this is the template, guys. As you can see, what you basically have to do is to put your own images, your own colors, your own text, and that's it. So right now what I'm gonna do is to add the images so it looks like this, okay? So let's do this now. We're gonna go to the dashboard here. We're gonna click on media. So there are different ways you can add media to your WordPress website. You can do it here directly in the media library, or you can do it here in Elementor. Just click the section, style, and choose the image that you want to use, okay? Right now I'm gonna upload all the images I'm gonna use in this tutorial. I'm gonna select the files, and here are all the images I'm going to use. Also, I wanna share these images with you if you want to see them and basically use as a reference for you to put your own pictures, right? So we're gonna upload all these. So we have our images here now, and we're gonna go back to the template. Okay, we're gonna click here, these dots. We're gonna go style, underneath style, image. We're gonna choose the picture that we're going to use, and this is the one we're gonna use. Insert media, and there we have it. Now everything is already set up for you, so you don't have to worry for any technical stuff, guys. And sometimes in Elementor, when you import a template, the animation or the colors might change. Look at this. This one, it has a different animation. So we're gonna fix this. So we're gonna click here, select this element. We're gonna go to style and text color. We're gonna choose the color that we use for the brand. Okay, and hover. In hover, the text color is gonna change to white. The background color is gonna change to the branding color we have. And there we have it, okay? This is how you fix that. It's not a big deal, but if this happens to you, you know how to fix this. And remember that every time you make a change on the site, make sure to click update so you can save your progress. Okay, now what we have to do is to do the same thing with every section here in the homepage template. So I'm gonna go here, choose the image, this one. Okay, the programs. Okay, you have to click this widget, choose the image that you want to go, and in this one, let's see the picture. Okay, it's this one. Okay, so we're gonna search this one. And there we go. Okay, really simple. And you can always change the description, the title. Okay, and the bottom here, just click the bottom. You can change and you can send people to another page. Maybe you have a page talking specifically about the service. You can create a page, and once you do that, you can put the link to that page here, and it's gonna send the user to that page. Okay, simple as that. So okay, right now here, if we go here, we see that we have a background. So we're gonna put that background, style, here's the background, and there we have it. Now let's go to the other section. So here we have to add a picture of the trainers, and we're gonna click here, and the first one is this one. And we're gonna do the same for the other three. There we go. We have our trainers or staff, and always here you can change the name wherever you want to change here in content. You can change here. Okay. Now, client testimonial. I'm gonna click on testimonials. We're gonna go to this widget, and we're gonna choose our first one. This is the first one. Second. And our last one. Okay, and this one has a background. Let's see what is the background here. Okay, so let's change the background, style, and this one is, there we go. We have our testimonial section. Latest news. Latest new is gonna show up the blog post automatically when you create a blog post. If you don't know how to create a blog, I have another video where I'm gonna show you how you can create your blog post, okay? But automatically, this template is gonna put your blog post when you have your blog post created. Simple as that. And call to action, we don't have to do anything here. And the pricings. We're gonna change the background. this one, and that's it. Here we have our prices, and that's it. We have our form here, and you can always edit everything inside the form. Okay, you can see item 1, that is the name, that is this one, and item 2 is the email, 3 the message, and here I have the plans. Okay, simple. You can always change that. And here we have, guys, this is our home page. As you can see, looking good. Okay, and everything is mobile responsive, as you can see. Okay, let's see how it looks in mobile. Okay, we're good to go. Remember to save your progress. Now I'm gonna create the other pages. So we're gonna go to pages, and I'm gonna do the exact same process that I did with the home page with these other 3 pages. So I'm gonna do this real quick, and I'm gonna come back to you once I have everything ready. So right now I'm gonna show you how the other templates looks. For instance, the about us page template looks like this. And you have to do the same thing, guys. Click the sections, put your background, change the color, put your own images. Exactly the same process, okay? So this is what you want to receive with the template. The contact page the same, okay? And the services page the same too, okay? You basically have to edit everything according to your branding colors and images and text. So I'm gonna come back to you when I have everything ready. And here we have the About Us section completely edited. Now, just basically the same thing that I just mentioned before. Click the section with your own image. If you want to change the letter, just click on this text title widget. Click on that. Content, you can change that, and the style, you can put the style that you want, change the size, the type of letter, everything, right? Now in this section, okay, normally it's gonna be white when you receive this, and what you basically have to do, you change the color here, okay? Change the color, and you wanna have everything like that. And put your own text. If you want to change the image, click on the image widget and change the image. The same here. In these sections where we have the trainers, you can put something like meet our staff, meet our team. If you want to erase something, you have to click on the widget, right click, and then delete. Okay, simple as that. And here, this is another section that I have here, and you just click on this widget and you want to be able to change everything, okay? Put the image of another person, you can change the content, the name, the job description if you want, and the style, okay? You want to change that, you go to content and you can start changing the background. You can see all that, really simple. And here, sometimes it can be complicated to select the section because, I don't know, it's difficult to choose it directly from here. So what you can do is to click on Navigator. As you can see here, Navigator, and this is gonna allow you to see the different sections in a better way. So for instance, we're gonna close everything here, okay? So we have the theme, this is the feature services, okay? And we have here the motivation quote. This is the section where I have this background image, because if you see, it's a background. It has a really nice effect that I created. But in order to do that, I need to play with the margins, with the padding, and sometimes it's difficult to choose the section. So just go to Navigator, look for the section, and put your own picture there. Now, if you want to change the color of this box, what you have to do is just click here. Okay, this is I put the color in the column section. So here, column, okay, and go to style, and there you go. Here's where you can change the color of that. And the same here, you can put your benefits there and just start editing and put your own stuff. Simple as that, guys. So right now we're gonna go to the contact page, and here in the contact page you have to do the same process. Okay, click on the widget that you want to change and put your own text, your own stuff. Okay, now with this form, just click on this form and you can change everything. Okay, let's say that for instance you want to erase the font, you just click here and you wanna erase that, or if you want to arrange this in a different way, you can always do this. Okay, now take in mind that if you erase something by mistake, you can always go back here. As you can see, we have this icon that says history. You click on here and you can go back to this one. Let's see. Okay, and you can see we recover our past work. Okay, also take in mind that when a person sends your information, you need to receive that information in your email. So in order to send this info to, I don't know, maybe you want to send to a specific email address, select the widget, go to content, and underneath actions after submit, click on that. You want to see that you have the option to email. So click on email, and normally you want to have the email address that you have with the WordPress account with your hosting provider. Okay, so if you want to change this maybe to your business email address, you can put your email address here, and every time a person fill out this form, you want to receive the information in that email address. Okay, simple as that. Now with this Google Maps widget, you can put your address. Okay, you put your address and it's gonna show up here in this Google Maps. You can always put more zoom if you want to look more close to this. You can always zoom in and zoom out, and if you want to make this bigger, you can change the height. Now with services, the same. Okay, just change everything, and if you have trouble selecting the section that you want to change, go to Navigator. Simple as that, guys. So here we have it. These are the 4 main pages every service business website need to have to get started. Okay, so what else are gonna give you? If you want to get this template, simply go and click the link below to go to the Elementor page and purchase the Elementor Pro, or you can simply type dgonlinesolutions.com/Elementor and you wanna go to that page and purchase Elementor there as well. Now, as you can see, the first bonus is the templates that I just showed you how to create. Apart from that, I'm gonna give you a training where I'm gonna teach you how to create a profitable customer generating website. Because you need to understand that a website, it doesn't have to be a brochure online that just provide basic information. That is not worth it. If you're gonna create a website, it's gonna be a machine that's gonna help your business get more customers, get more clients, right? So in this training, I'm gonna show you which elements you need to put in place, which sections are gonna help you convert users into potential customers. Also, you want to have access to my private Facebook group. So if you have any questions, if you have doubts on how to change things, you can always go to the Facebook group and ask for help. I'm always going to be there trying to answer all your doubts, trying to help you even more. So I'm going to give you access to that. And the only thing that you have to do is to purchase Elementor, send me a message at support@jordanvelasquez.com, and I will be happy to send you all the bonuses. Now, if you don't want to deal with any of this stuff, then let professionals create something more customized, even more professional for your business, then I highly recommend you to go to jordanvelasquez.com/call, schedule a call with my team and I, and let's see what can we do for you. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you find it valuable and see you in the next one.